Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from Group 3 and we want to explain about the simple, compound, and complex sentence. I'm Rosi Ramawati. I want to explain about the simple sentence. What is a simple sentence? Simple sentence contains only one independent clause, a group of words that are subject and verb which can stand alone as a complete thought. For example, number 1 is we watched TV last night. We is subject, watch is verb, or they called an independent clause. Number 2 is the officer followed the rules. The officer followed is an independent clause. And are the following simple sentence? Number 1 is fresh cut flowers on the table. No, it's a praise. Number 2, the train leaves every morning at 8 a.m. Yes, that is simple sentence. And number 3, our home on the range. No, that is fresh.
Hello, my name is Tika. I'm going to explain about the second type of sentences that are compound sentence. So, what is a compound sentence? Compound sentence is a sentence with at least two independent clauses. Or we could probably say compound sentences has two simple sentences. The independent clauses can be joined by a coordinating conjunction or by a semicolon. So what's the differences between a simple sentence and compound sentences? Simple sentence, they only have one independent clause. But compound sentences, they have two independent clauses. And this is very important. We should add a coordinating conjunction to linking each of sentence. Next, we have compound sentences with a coordinating conjunction. Recall from what I mentioned before about coordinating conjunction, in English, they have 7 coordinating conjunction. The easy way to remember all of them, just remember the acronym of fanboys, which contain the first letter of each. They are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. In this part, we have some example of it. Let's take a look. Number 1. Number 1. I go to the park every Sunday, for I long to see his face. As we can see, it has two simple sentences or independent clauses. So, we want to make a compound sentence, so we should add and join a coordinating conjunction in it. In this sentence, for is the best choices to linking each sentence. But for in the sentence has different meaning, that is explain about the reason or purpose. What about number 2? Kevin left the library and he headed straight home. Same as number 1, it has two simple sentences or independent clauses. The first sentence, Kevin left the library, and the second sentence, he headed straight home. So, and as a coordinating conjunction. Don't forget, remember to put a comma before a coordinating conjunction to join each of sentence.
Hello, my name is Ratu Dahlia. Okay, here I will explain about compound sentence with a semicolon. So, a semicolon is most commonly used to link two independent clauses that are closely related in thought. For example, the first is the sky is clear, the stars are twinkling. And the next one is the waves were crashing on the shore. It was a lovely sight. The difference between simple and compound sentence. Which one? Simple and compound in the following sentence. She tells great jokes and sings brilliantly. Note, there is no comma before and. This is a simple sentence. It is just a list of two verbs, tells and sings. You can explain here what is the topic about. She tells great jokes and she sings brilliantly. Note this time there is a comma before and this compound sentence. The clause on either side of the end could be standalone sentence. They are independent clauses.
My name is Uci Supriyadi. I want to explain about complex sentence and dependent clause. Complex sentence. A complex sentence contains at least one main clause, but it can contain more than one dependent clause. Dependent clause. A dependent clause is joined to another clause by a subordinating conjunction. Examples: the main clause in the whole independent clause are italic. The example is, I will not speak to you unless you tell me the truth. Harry was on 15 when his mother sent him away to school, although he loved much older. I am going to solve this crossword puzzle, even if it takes me all day. Okay, thank you from us. Any question for our discussion today? Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.